You have your living area here, a closed living area, which is like a more formal area. This large, spacious kitchen area here comfortably accommodates a nice queen size bed. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair and today I'm standing in front of a gorgeous property. Like the name suggests, it's called Prestige Lavender Fields by Prestige Group, located in Varthur. Before I give you more details about this project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from different brokers. And since Housey directly connects you with a developer, you can purchase your dream project or your dream home directly with the developer by registering with us with Housey. This gorgeous property by Prestige Group called the Prestige Lavender Fields, like I mentioned, as you enter, you'll see a lot of lavender trees here. At the same time, this property is massive. It's spread across 18.25 acres of land located in Varthur in Bangalore. So right now I'm standing in front of the miniature model of the Prestige Lavender Fields. As the name rightly suggests, it's filled with gorgeous lavender flowers all across the property. So this property is located in Whitefield close to Sarjapur Road, and this also accommodates about 6 towers. Each of these towers have your ground floor plus 31 or 32 floors. As you can see, it's spread across a very large area. It's quite spacious. It has most of the amenities that you would need, from a swimming pool to ample cars, parking spaces to tennis court to basketball court to a nice gorgeous clubhouse. Even the Whitefield ITPL Tech Park is located very close to this property. As you can see now, as you enter, you have all these gorgeous lavender colored trees here. And this property is also located in a very nice area which is filled with a lot of greenery. And this property has 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. And it has all the facilities that you and your family would need. Right now I'm standing in front of the Prestige 4 BHK apartment, which is the Prestige Lavender Fields, which runs up to about 2,717 square feet. Come, let's have a look at it. This is gorgeous. As you enter, this place feels so spacious. I like how the foyer area extends here to a nice... Wait, there is a surprise for you. You will be awestruck when you see the living hall. Come have a look at it. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the space that they've used here. They've utilized it so well. This 4 BHK apartment looks so spacious. You have your living area here, a closed living area, which is like a more formal area, which also extends up to a nice balcony area outside. And then you have, it's gorgeous, right? And then we have ample of space here, not just in the living area here. This area can also be utilized. It's quite spacious here. You can put in some carpets or something and then beautify it a little more. And this also, you have an open dining area here, which comfortably accommodates an 8-seater large dining table. I like how they've done up the space with a nice abstract art put together here. You have a nice, more intimate, cozy sitting area for your family. You can have your television here with ample of light outside. You can have utilize the space. You have also a nice showpiece or show rack, showpiece area. You see that here? And now let me take you through the kitchen area. The kitchen area also, like I mentioned earlier, for the 3 BHK, we have a nice, large, spacious kitchen area here. This opens up to a nice utility space outside, which also extends up to the maid's room. along with a bathroom for the maid. As you can see, this utility area is quite spacious, very spacious. You can accommodate a couple of racks here. You can accommodate your washing machine, dishwasher, gives you a lot of space. And now come, let's have a look at it. And the kitchen, of course, accommodates enough number of cabinets up here and below here and here as well. I like how spacious this place is done up, no? Now we go to the first bedroom, which can also be your guest bedroom. It opens up to a nice cozy space here, and you have nice large French windows to give you ample amount of light and ventilation. And this accommodates a nice queen size bed and two large wardrobes. Here. And then you have a nice study area here and your television or your bookshelf area here. And this also extends up to a nice attached bathroom, which is nicely done up. Come. Now let's have a look at the second bedroom. The second bedroom also is your kids' bedroom. Come, let's have a look at it. I like how the place is done up. It accommodates two beds comfortably along with a nice bed table here. It accommodates two study tables. This space can be utilized here up here for as a bookshelf. You can have cabinets even under the bed. You can have cabinets in the side here as well. And this also has a nice attached, quite spacious attached bathroom with a shower area for the kids, along with nice two large cupboards which can be utilized as your storage space. Now come, let's have a look at the third bedroom. As I take you through the living hall, you can see it's going to take me a while to reach the third bedroom. You can see how spacious this property is. I'd like to welcome you to the third bedroom. Third bedroom again accommodates nice cozy queen's bed, opens up to a nice balcony area. You can see outside. It's quite spacious. And then you have enough space to accommodate two bedside tables here, can be used to store your items, and also this space here can be used as your television area or rack, or you can also have a nice dressing table and a mirror here. This also extends up to a nice attached bathroom with a shower area. Now come. As we proceed to the master bedroom area, we have a common bathroom as well. Even though most rooms here have an attached bathroom, we still have a common bathroom here. And right now I'm standing in front of the master bedroom. Before I give you more details about the master bedroom and show you the master bedroom, which is actually mind-blowing, let me share some details about Housey with you. Housey is going to give you an actual location tour. Housey is going to give you a tour of the property. Housey is going to give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the property and location. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. Housey will also give you the EMI and down payment options available. And if you like this project, don't forget to register with us at Housey and book a free site visit. Come, let's have a look at the master bedroom. Oh wow, this is quite spacious. This is like the ideal master bedroom. comfortably accommodates a nice queen size bed, and then also accommodates enough of, like you have two bedside tables here, you have a television area here. Also, I like how spacious it is, so well ventilated, well lit. This portion can also be used as your television area. You can even use this side portion here as your dressing table mirror area, or you can use that. I think I can see a lot of light coming in here, so this would be ideal location to have a nice dressing table as well. And I like how you have a little walk-in closet space here which accommodates two massive wardrobes. This is the ideal master's bedroom. And this also extends up to a nice attached bathroom here, which gives you enough space for the shower area as well as your bathroom area. If you've liked this property so far and want to see more such properties, do not forget to click on the link below and register with us at Housey. And also, if you want to know more details about this project, don't forget to click on the link below and download the e-brochure. This was a sample flat tour of the Prestige 4 BHK apartment, which is a Prestige Lavender Fields. And if you like this property and want to see more such videos of brilliant properties like this, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.